Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering the Makita radio on and lowering volume so pairing won't blast audio. Press and hold the Bluetooth or pairing button for about 3–5 seconds. The LED will blink to show the radio is discoverable. Once done, unlock your phone, open Bluetooth settings, and scan. Look for a device name that includes Makita. Select that entry to initiate pairing. This immediate action gets both devices talking. The blinking LED tells you the radio is waiting for a connection. After selecting the Makita device on your phone, accept any pairing prompts. Some phones ask for a PIN, usually 0000 or none. Once paired, the radio's LED often changes from blinking to solid, or you'll hear a confirmation tone, which verifies the link. Now play a short music file or test tone and slowly raise volume to check audio routing. Make sure audio is coming from the radio, not the phone speaker, because that confirms successful streaming and avoids accidental feedback. To finish, keep phone Bluetooth enabled so the Makita reconnects automatically next time. Many radios prioritize the last paired device. If the radio won't pair, clear its pairing list or power cycle both devices, then repeat the pairing steps. Resetting removes stale connections that block new ones. If audio drops or pairing fails, move your phone closer and away from Wi-Fi routers or metal obstacles, because distance and interference are the most common issues. This one troubleshooting tip fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.